It is raining cats and dogs where I'm at, but I came out to shoot a video about the next knife, and shoot the video I will. The video is about this Cold Steel SRK knife in SK5 steel. And I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube where the tip breaks and people complain about the edge geometry because it's a hollow grind, the tip breaks. So I took it to my tree of doom, and for you tree lovers, this is a totally dead tree. This is not, see, it broke off like it's been dead for 6 years. Anyway, I get a comment on a lot of videos that I'm stabbing live trees, which I'm not. Anyway, so here's the knife. All right, that tree claimed several knife tips, but it's failing to break this one off. I don't know what to do, guys. There you go. I think I just did it. Yes. A fair question. If I knew it's going to happen from other videos, why did I do it? No, I'm not trying to test the warranty on this knife. If I bring my sharpened point to this area on the blade, maybe just a slight bit back, I will never be able to physically exert enough moment or enough torque on this knife to break it off, because I was putting my arm upper body strength in it and my weight. So it may still break at a next weak point, like where the tang and the blade meet. To sharpen my knives and change the blade geometry, I use this no-name Amazon belt sander. It has variable speeds, so it's very hard to burn the edge using this particular tool. If you're in the market for a tool like this, I'll provide a link in the description. There is a resharpened SRK is ready for the test. Let's do it. I accelerated the video a little bit, but so that you know, I'm striking the same oak tree that broke the tip 25 times with this newly ground tip, and I detect absolutely no flex in the knife, and I have zero concern that this tip will break. So I'm striking with all my might, which may not be as much as Rambo, but I'm doing my best here. One more. Didn't like it. Let's do it. Nothing. Okay, so if you're wondering about too much belly here, let's test this theory. I have this product here. It's an expired bulletproof vest, and I use it sometimes to test some knives. So here it is on another dead tree, and here we go. No problem. Sorry about all the motion in the ocean here. Hey, I'm back in my studio, which doubles up as my living room. And I tell you what, look at this thing. You know how they say don't bring a gun to a knife fight? No, it's the other way around. Hey, you know how they say don't bring a knife to a gunfight? I say don't bring a gun vest to a knife fight. You'll end up full of holes. Anyway, who wants to knife fight anyway? Hey everybody, I'm going to interrupt this video for a second. I hope you're enjoying it, but I'd like to point out that I'm not affiliated with any knife company, nor am I sponsored by any retail business. I am currently not monetizing my channel either. And at this point, all I can ask you is to hit a like button or write a comment. This way, YouTube and I know that my content is important to you, and this way more people get to see this content. Thanks. let's get back to the video. This did pretty well considering how much belly I left on. With the hollow grind here, the farther up the blade I go, the thicker it gets. So to maintain the angle, I end up with a bevel that is pushing 3/16 of an inch right now, which is kind of, I don't know, it's good or bad. Comment. I want to know your opinion. Which brings me to the next question. How far are we taking this whole SRK adventure? The reason I'm asking is because I got another one here. This one is in steel called Sanmai. Sanmai. It's a layered steel, similar to Sandvik sandwich. So I don't know if you can see on camera, I ran some bluing compound here, gun blue here, and it kind of shows the layers now. So it's sandwich layers of stainless, and the edge supposed to be carbon steel. And then I got this SRK, and this one is CPM 3V, which is absolutely favorite of my steels on fixed blade knives. If you watched my video about Benchmade 185 SOCP dagger, it did amazingly well in all kinds of torture testing. You should check out this video. I'll provide a link. Anyway, so my question is for you, my viewers. Do I try to break these tips as well? Or do you think I can stop right there and call it a day? Or perhaps you wonder how this SK5 still would do against, say, 1095 in the form of Gerber strong arm or some other knife. Let me know. I would like to hear your comments. In conclusion, I know you all been waiting for paper cutting test. And the time has come to test my sharpening skills against this here toilet paper roll. All right. Angle, come on.